so much for clicking my video to watch. So for today's video, I'm doing a festival inspired makeup look. Festival season is coming up. I'm pretty sure Coachella is this weekend. So I thought I would get this tutorial up. I didn't really know what I was gonna do. I had some idea, but throughout the tutorial, I kind of winged it. So before we get on to the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it. And if you'd like to know how I got this look, then please just keep watching. So I already put on my base and my eyebrows just to save a little bit of time for this video. And the first step I'm gonna do is my contour. I'm using a cream today, so, well, a stick technically, but I'm putting an oil on it just to soften it up. I'm using the Pixi Rose Oil, I think it's called, and this is the Fenty Beauty Mocha Matchstick, so I'm just popping it into the hollows of my cheeks, underneath my lip, my nose, and my temples. I really wanted to bronze up my skin today, so I chose the Bahama Mama bronzer by the Balm. I meant to put on a fake tan for this tutorial, but I forgot, so I'm just popping on a lot of bronzer instead. Now taking the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder, this one is in the shade Pound Cake. My contour drugged down a lot, so I just wanted to clean up my contour line and then also bake my chin. Before the video, I did put on my foundation, concealer, and my powder. I just didn't put any powder on at the bottom of my face. And after I let that bake for a couple minutes, I just went ahead and wiped off all of the powder. I'm going into my Sigma Blush Cheek Palette and grabbing the shade Mod Mauve, and I am packing a lot of blush on. I really wanted the purple to show up on my cheeks since I'm doing a purple look, and I also drug a lot of it up onto my temples as well. The palette I'm going to use is the Anastasia Riviera palette. I'm grabbing the shade Estate and popping that into my crease. I just wanted a little bit extra of a transition shade before I went in with my other more prominent shade. And that shade being the purple in the palette. It's very vibrant and I love it. So I'm just going to put this all into my crease and really focus it on the outer edge of my crease. And I'm just packing it up until I get the shade that I want. I'm also doing a cut crease for this look, so I'm grabbing my Too Faced Sculpting Concealer. It's in the shade Vanilla, in case you're wondering, and I'm just going to go ahead and carve out my crease and pop the rest of the concealer onto my lid. And then for my lid shade, I'm grabbing the shade Seaside. It's a really pretty silvery purple shade, and I started packing it on with my finger, but I wanted it to be a little bit more precise. So I just grabbed a tiny little brush, and once I got to the outer corner of my eye, I just very lightly feathered the shade out without actually placing too much of it on the outer corner of my eye. So now I'm going to go into my Aurora Glow Kit and pop on the purple shade just to give my face a holographic shine. And don't mind those jewels on my face. I decided to put them in a different area because those look ridiculous, so just ignore those for now. Now for the glitter, I am grabbing my NYX Glitter Glue and some random glitter that I got at the dollar store a while ago, and I'm just going to place this on the outer corner of my eye where I didn't put any of the shadow, so I just smudged the glitter glue out and then I popped on the actual glitter kind of a little bit spaced out. I tried to have the glitter a little bit more open. I didn't want it all packed together, if that makes any sense, so I'm trying to give the glitter a little bit of space. I'm also flicking the purple glitter a little bit underneath my eye and up towards my temple because I am going to move on to some silver glitter now that I also got at the dollar store and kind of blend that into the purple, but this silver shade is going to be focused on my hairline. I'm trying to smudge it into my hair as well, just a little bit, but mostly around my hairline and then in towards my forehead a little bit. And here I am moving one of the purple jewels into the center of my forehead, and that's where I actually went ahead and left it. And then I'm also placing these silver jewel stickers right above my eyebrows. I also got all of these stickers and jewels at the dollar store. It is one of the easiest and cheapest places to get things like this. And also with the glitter, you don't need a glitter glue to add it. Vaseline works just fine and it's way cheaper. I am now just putting on the same purple shade from my Riviera palette just to finish off my eyes and smoke it onto my lower lash line. Okay, just kidding, I am not finished my eyes yet. I'm grabbing the shade Spectra from my Aurora Glow Kit again and putting that into my inner corners, and then I'm grabbing the shade Luna because I wanted to brighten up my lid shade, so I just popped that on with my finger right on top of the other shade I had on. And then to prep my eyelashes before my false ones, which I did off camera, I'm just putting on some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and the lashes I ended up using were the Ardell 105 Glamour lashes. For my lips, I'm doing a few things. So first I'm taking my Anastasia Stripped Liquid Lipstick for my first shade, and then I'm moving on to Too Faced Doll Face Lipstick to put right on top. And then for the gloss, which is my favorite right now, it is Fussy by Fenty Beauty. I'm just going to finish it off with that. Okay guys, well that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the completed makeup look. I really like how it came out Besides, this part kind of looks like a 5-year-old to put it on, but you can't win everything, so that's just gonna stay how it is. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!